What are you supposed to do when your association is breaking all the rules? I'm Jane Muir, and I'm an association and business lawyer in Miami. If your board of directors is ignoring all the rules and violating their fiduciary duty to your association, there are a few things that you can do to protect yourself. Number one is get elected. By getting elected, you can do it in two ways. You can either run for an ordinary office, which happens annually at the time of election, or if it's been more than 60 days since the last election, or it's more than 60 days before the next election, you can recall the board. And to do that, you have to gather recall ballots that designate who you want to remove from the board and add new people onto the board. And you have to get signatures from enough unit owners that you have 51% of the whole association represented in these ballots. If you do that and you serve the association's registered agent with the ballots, then within 5 days they have to have a meeting to certify the recall or not. And if they don't certify the recall, then you can take that to the Department of Business and Professional Regulation, which has the ability to enforce the rules. That leads me to the second thing that you can do if your HOA is not following the rules, which is make a complaint with the Department of Business and Professional Regulation. The DBPR does less when it comes to homeowners associations, more regarding condominiums, where we see a lot more problems. I think that is probably because of the tight quarters in a condominium and the fact that people really are shoulder to shoulder in their units in a condominium setting. So we see a lot more drama coming out of condominiums than homeowners associations. So if you see something negative happening in your association, your second choice is to file a complaint with the Department of Business and Professional Regulation, which has a lot of latitude to enforce the rules and laws that apply to associations. It's key that you inform the DBPR in a way that they can understand and act on, and make sure that you're tailoring your complaint to what their scope of authority is, because there are some things that the DBPR just can't do. Then the third option is you can file a lawsuit against the association. And in our practice, we don't recommend this option. The reason is because it is incredibly expensive to have a lawsuit, and the association's leadership has free legal representation because your association fees are compensating their lawyer. And meanwhile, a unit owner has to come out of pocket to pay a lawyer, which leads to a power imbalance, and it makes it very difficult, an uphill battle really, to sue the association. So it's our preference to recommend either getting elected or a DBPR complaint if you have a problem with your association.